G'day Australia, I'm Korum E and this is the $99 action dash camera from Audiocom. We're recording on it now. I'm going to take it to work, do a little recording. Tell me what you think of the quality in the comments below. Sure, it's not the best dash camera out there on the market, but it is only $99 and it is 4K recording. This compares to a lot of $500 cameras. It's pretty kick-ass. So make sure you leave your comments in the section below, whatever platform we're on. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you again soon. But check this out right now. Get that mounted up on there. Get a bit of a view.